Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by my channel, it's me, your girl Jenymcbryt. So before rambling about, this video is about how I achieved this slick ponytail center pattern, and if you're interested on how I achieved this, please keep on watching. It's actually very easy, so just keep on watching. Thank you. Hey guys, so here are a list of things you'll be needing. You'll be needing the Eco Styler gel and also this ORS olive edge control. You also will need, I'm using to edge control, the Mazuri edge control for my edges, and Canon daily oil moisturizer. That's got to be glue, we all know this, hairbrush, and another smaller hairbrush for my edges and to slay everything down, and hair clips to get everything out of the way, spray bottle with water and conditioner. So then I'll go ahead to remove the rubber band on my head. Yeah, then I'll be patting my head middle because I love middle patterns. I'll make sure the line is very straight. After doing that, I'll go ahead to spray my hair down with the water and conditioner mix to make it easier to like comb and also manage. Then I'm going ahead with the white comb to comb my hair and detangle my hair and clip it out of the way. So I start in sections because I like to go in smaller sections. I'll be using the Canon daily moisturizer to moisturize my hair, and I'll be starting with the back section. I'll go ahead to apply the Eco Styler gel, then pack it, then move to another section and repeat the same thing all through the whole sections. But remember, I'm going smaller sections. I'll use the Canon Eco Styler gel. My hands were hurting and I just started. So now for the front section, you need to take your time in the front and apply a generous amount of hair glue or hair gel hair gel to gel and stick down your hair properly. Like, you really need to take your time here and make sure every strand of hair is well coated with gel. Then I'll also tie that down in place and go to the other section of it and repeat the same thing there again.
Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you.
Then I'll go ahead to smooth down my edges with this brush, because this brush really smooths down every hair and your edges. Then I'll go ahead to apply the got to be glue on my hair to make sure everything stays in place, and also smoothing that down too. Then I'll go ahead to use the olive oil for my edges. And I'm not really like this, I'm not really good at doing my edges, but this works.
Right now, why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
So I'll be using this red scarf to tie down my hair. This will be the first one I'll be using. I'll be using two, this and a black one. So this is the last one, which is the black scarf I use to tie down my hair. Then yeah, for like 30 minutes. I'll go ahead to do my makeup and I'll be right back. I went ahead to do my makeup on camera. Thinking of scarf on my hair. Going ahead with my kinky straight ponytail. I'll be leaving details down below or where I got the wig from or where I got the ponytail from, sorry. So now what I'm going to do is have these two ends to it. So I'll be attaching one up and the other one below. So hey guys, this is the finished look of, this is how it looks and this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching it and I'll see you in my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.